Welcome to the Node Map. This is where you craft and structure your story. Your story always starts with the start screen, and from here, your story flows from left to right. Each of these blocks is called a node. Different nodes let you add different types of content and interactions to your story. To add a new node, simply click the plus icon. You can also add a node directly between two existing nodes. There's no limit to how many nodes you can add, and you can drag them around to keep your node map organized. What controls the actual flow of your story are the connection lines. They show the path the learner will take from one node to the next. You can drag these connections to change where your story goes. Need to make changes? You can easily delete, rearrange, or duplicate nodes as you build. At the top, you'll find your story settings, where you can manage the overall setup of your story. And as your story grows, use search to quickly find the node you're looking for. That's the node map, your workspace for building, connecting, and organizing your story.